new star that's shining. Can you see its light? And it's pointing in one direction. I just know it's right. There are 17 goals to strive for, and the road is long. But maybe this is what we were meant for. We're 7 billion strong. And it's finally...
Today, more than 800 million people suffer from the hunger in the world.
Water with responsibility.
And in poverty and hunger, living healthy lives, education and equality go side by side.
Educated households are more likely to use water purification methods such
Educating mothers have saved millions of children.
quality of education is vital for economic
and sustainable growth.
Education can help in the handling of
Sustainable development begins with education.
You and me. The nations have met and spoken, and the words ring true. What the words turn into action depends on what we do. They're talking of transformation, a whole system's view. But whether we can hold the whole planet in our hearts and minds depends on me and you. Like birds who have stretched their wings. Take these 17 goals and say.
Number 7 talks about affordable and sustainable energy. About 759 million people around the world lack access to electricity.
SDG 7 to develop the SDG 9. Hello, we are going to talk about Sustainable Development Goal number 3.
How to do physical activities to be healthier. Study without distraction in a quiet place.
And for everyone, and the ones who come after us. Like birds who have stretched their wings. Take 17 goals and say.
Keep calm and save the planet.
Keep calm and save the world.
And in poverty and hunger, living healthy lives, education and equality go side by side. We love the SDGs. We love the SDGs. Taking care of all the life in the ocean and land, clean energy and water, they go hand in hand. We love the SDGs. We love the SDGs. An economy that gives us what we all really need: green cities, green parks, and a lot less green. We love the SDGs. Now we have to come together, living just the same.